Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix battery drain issues instantly on Android. So guys, battery draining fast is common, but a few quick steps can boost backup instantly. At first, check battery uses and close power hungry apps running in the background. Keep brightness low or on auto and turn off unused features like GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi scanning and always on display. Enable battery saver for smarter power control. Update apps and software to fix hidden battery bugs. Clear cache and restart the phone regularly to refresh the system. These simple tips help users get longer battery life, smoother performance, and a more stable phone overall. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.